So, hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, today in this video, I'll show you how to fix the app login problem and unusual activity detected error. So, if you are trying to log in to the app and this message appears on your screen, don't worry. This problem usually happens due to multiple login attempts, VPN uses, or network issues. So, now let's see how to fix it. So, firstly, check your internet connection and make sure your internet is stable. And now update the app. For this, open the Play Store app. At the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for the app. Now update it if not, and after this, go back to the home page and long press on the app. Click, click on info icon. Now click on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. After this, tap on clear storage and tap on delete. Now go back to the previous page and tap on force stop. Click on OK, and after this go back to the home page, and after doing all this make sure you disable any VPN or proxy if you are using one. Now restart your phone and try logging in again. Sometimes this error appears due to security reasons, so you may need to wait for a few hours and then try again. And if the problem is still not fixed, the last solution is to uninstall the app and reinstall it from the Play Store. After that, open the app and log in again. Your problem should be solved. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.